Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Riri, and I love mood boards. I don't actually have one, nor have I ever had one, but I think they're super cool. I kind of equate them to how I write in a journal or just kind of like write my thoughts and stuff down. This is kind of what this is going to end up being. Also, my address is always on the bottom of like my description box. If you ever want to send me like a cool little postcard or just something cool and funky that I could pin back here on my little board, I think that would be super, super cool. Yeah, so like eventually I want this completely full. It could be a letter, it could be a postcard from where you live, especially if you live overseas. I think that would be so cool to have. But I love seeing other people's mood boards, and I've seen like quite a few on Pinterest and stuff like that, and I just think it's amazing to sit down, and I've always had this kind of idea that if you wish it and you dream it and you kind of will it into existence, that it can happen. So yeah, I think that's a pretty cool concept and idea, and this is kind of what this is going to be for me. But today I'm going to be doing an Ipsy mystery box. Apparently it got 2 bullet holes. Don't know how this always happens to all my packages. But they offered, I think it's $25. It might have been $30. I'm not quite sure. But it can be any mixture of any of the like Ipsy Glam bag pluses from the previous few months or whatever. So I was really excited about this, and y'all know I love to be surprised. So we're gonna jump right on in. And if you're not familiar with Glam Bag Plus, it is a $25 a month subscription box where you receive like 5 full-size items. So I'm excited. Oh my gosh, this is one that I think I missed out on, and I wanted it so bad. So it was from July, mine was, and it says Dive In. Oh baby. First up, I see a Thrive Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. I just filmed my, I'm trying to think what I got it in. Maybe an Ipsy or my Allure, one or the other. But I was so sad that I had missed out. I'd canceled my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and then everybody got this like the next month or the month after. I was so pissed, and then I just got a small one. So I will keep the full size, and I will gift the smaller one. I'm so excited to try this. I've heard nothing but phenomenal things about Thrive Cosmetics just in general, but I've heard this mascara is phenomenal. Next up is a Pixie Glow Mist with propolis and argan oil. I'm pretty sure I just got one of these in a different sub box, so if I did, I'll probably pass that other one along, just because it doesn't need to sit on the shelf forever, and it takes me a long time to use these. But I think this comes very close to being the entire price for the entire box. Next up is a Benefit Benetint Rose Tinted Lip and Cheek Stain, and that is a full size. I don't know that I'm going to keep this. I actually tried this product when it very first came out years ago, and I thought it was just a little weird, so I don't know if I'm going to use it or not, so I'm not going to open it. I will let you guys know if I do decide to use it, but most likely I'm not going to. But I think it's really cool, and again, this is, you know, a full size and pretty much almost pays for the entire box. Next up is a Purlisse Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. This is a lightweight, oil-free water cream, and it primes your skin for makeup. Oily to combination, normal or sensitive skin. I will have to try this, only because I have very dry skin, so I don't know how it's going to perform with my skin. But I think when I do my full face of first impressions, I will try this, because I think this is my only new primer that I will be trying out. Then last, I'm geeking out. I wanted this so bad. I was so jealous when I saw everybody else open this up last month or month before. It is the Huda Beauty 3D Highlighter Palette. That is what it looks like on the outside. I'm so excited about this. 3-dimensional highlighter palette, melted cream and powder. A luxury blend of light reflecting pearls, buildable glow, and effortless blendability. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And I love her little card that comes in here. That's so pretty. And that is what it looks like. I love Huda Beauty products, and when I was seeing everybody get this, I was like, son of a bitch. It was like the month I canceled, that month and the next month were like bomb-ass boxes, and I was like, seriously, dude? Like, now I'm actually thinking about getting the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus back and canceling BoxyCharm. But I'm going to wait till the big one comes in September. So I'm really excited about this. I do want to just feel the texture. That feels so soft and so buttery. And let's just do a little swatch. Y'all know I'm not like a swatch person. I think a swatch can be misleading, but that is absolutely stunning. I'm actually going to put a little bit on my little cheeks. I do have a tiny bit of some ochre highlighter on. I'm going to go into Seychelles, which is a little bit lighter than the one I just... Oh my god. That is so beautiful. Yeah, I'm excited about this. Like, this palette I think is like $40. So this more than pays for the $25 or $30 that I spent on this. Okay, I'm very excited. I would have just been excited to just have this in here because I really wanted this so badly. So apparently you can actually go back on there and get your little mystery boxes or whatever box it is for a previous month, which I really love, especially for me because I canceled my subscription. So I think it's a cool way that, you know, if I watch other people's unboxings of this and I love the box, the chances of me getting the items that I want are pretty good. So I'm really blown away and I'm really happy and I'm really excited and I'm acting like a little 3-year-old, but mama happy. Okay, super excited. I think this is definitely a bomb ass box, faux show, and then the Pure Lease, which I can't pick up because my hands are full now. So that is it, short and sweet. Definitely loving everything in here. I'm going to be playing with this highlighter because it is gorgeous. And I love the fact that there are different shades in here for different skin tones as well. So thank y'all so much for joining me for this short and sweet little trip. If you like this video at all, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. If you tap that notification bell, I'd be even more grateful and thankful. And please always remember to be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.